Palm Rejection Stylus pen is a type of pen that artists use on the iPad. And to turn it on is simple. Just press the button and it flashes blue, meaning it is on. It's not Bluetooth, so it will just automatically turn on and be able to use it on the iPad. It comes with a charger. It's a C port charger, so it's easy to have access to it. With it just like disconnecting and connecting, and the top doesn't come off. It has that connector, so you never lose the top. It comes with an extra tip and 3 tip guards, which can be used to like put on here and while drawing, so it won't scratch the iPad. It comes with 2 tips in case you lose this one or this one gets damaged. And to turn it off, you just click on it once and it flashes red, meaning it is off. Hope you fellow artists enjoyed the pen as much as I have, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.